Welcome back. Here in this tutorial, you will learn how to calculate EMI for bank loan in Microsoft Excel. EMI stands for Equated Monthly Installment. This is the payment you have to pay to bank against the loan. Here in this example, I have a loan information. Loan amount is $1,500,000. Annual interest rate is 13.5%. And the loan period is 10 years. To calculate the EMI for this, click on the B10 cell. Press equals. Then type PMT function. Open a bracket. In the rate parameter, put the monthly rate which is given by yearly rate divided by 12. Give a comma. In the NPER parameter, put the period of loan in months, that is given by year times 12. Then give a comma. In the PV parameter, provide the present value of loan, which is the loan amount. These other parameters are optional. Close the bracket and press enter. Here you got the result. This is the EMI payment. By default, it is given in US dollar currency and in negative number. It is given in negative, because from bank's perspective, it is a receivable payment. If you need to convert this to positive number, double-click on the formula and before PV, put minus symbol. Then press enter. To remove the US dollar format, click on the cell, then change the formatting to general. So, this is how we calculate EMI in Excel. Thank you for watching. Consider subscribing if you have not. See you in next tutorial.